Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context. But a very, very impressive movement today. I mean, you stop thinking about the fact that at one point, the price was all the way down here. And then by the time the closing bell rang, worked its way all the way up to right there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very, very impressive movement. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 0.016, or excuse me, 0016. Why is 0016 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then break to the downside, what would that be doing to the chart? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of the range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price needs to come down here, behave in that manner, and then it works its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, now at this point, all of a sudden, you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 0016. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch headed into next week, going to be right up there at 0025. So let me actually get that changed to red to represent resistance. So 0025, public enemy number one. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very impressive bounce today. Very nice movement. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.